Welcome to Cashbag Online, where money speaks. In today's digital age, making money online has become more accessible than ever, particularly through creating a YouTube channel. The allure of this platform lies not just in the potential earnings, but in the creative freedom it offers. Embarking on this journey begins with a clear vision of the content you want to share. Whether it's beauty tutorials, gaming streams, or educational content, identifying a niche that resonates with you and your target audience forms the bedrock of your channel's success. Once you have your niche, the next step is to create high-quality content that keeps viewers engaged. Invest in a decent camera and microphone. Poor audio or visual quality can deter potential subscribers. Learning basic video editing skills can significantly enhance the overall production quality of your videos. A well-edited video not only looks professional, but it also keeps your audience captivated, encouraging them to watch until the end and share with others. Consistency is key in building your audience. Establish a regular upload schedule, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This commitment signals to your viewers that they can rely on you for fresh content, fostering a loyal community. Engage with your audience through comments and social media, creating a sense of connection and belonging. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, so patience and perseverance will become your best allies as you grow your subscriber base. Once your channel gains traction, monetization opportunities begin to arise. YouTube's partner program allows creators to earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. To qualify, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Explore affiliate marketing by promoting products aligned with your niche and earning a commission on sales through your referral links. Diversifying income streams is crucial, so don't hesitate to explore collaborations with brands that resonate with your content. In conclusion, while creating and monetizing a YouTube channel demands effort, dedication, and time, the rewards can be substantial. Your passion can metamorphose into a lucrative venture that not only provides income, but also allows you to connect with a global audience. Embrace the learning curve, adapt to feedback, and most importantly, enjoy the process. With persistence and creativity, the dream of making money online through YouTube can become your reality, setting you on a path towards financial freedom.